For any two complex numbers z1 and z2 and any two real numbers a comma b, find the value of az1 minus bz2 mod square plus modulus of az2 plus bz1 square. Let us recall the property. Z into z bar is equal to mod z square. So we can write here az1 minus bz2 modulus whole square. We can write it as az1 minus bz2 into conjugate of az1 minus bz2, so which is equal to az1 minus bz2 of a times of z1 bar minus b times of z2 bar, so which equals to, let's multiply a times of a into a, that is a square, z1 into z1 bar minus a into b z2 into z1 bar, and again minus ab z1 into z2 bar plus b square into z2 into z2 bar. So a to a square into z1 into z1 bar is nothing but mod of z1 square, and here we can take minus ab of z1 z2 bar plus z2 z1 bar plus again b square of mod of z2 square. So this is the first one. Let us simplify similarly the second one. Mod of az2 plus bz1 mod whole square is equal to, so we can write this as az2 plus bz1 into conjugate of az2 plus bz1 conjugate, which is equal to, we can write here a times of z2 plus b times of z1 into az2 bar plus b times of z1 bar. So let's multiply this again, a square z2 into z2 bar, z2 into z2 bar, and again plus b into a, that is ba z1 into z2 bar plus a into b z1 bar into z2 plus b square z1 into z1 bar. So here we can write a square into mod of z2 square, and again plus ab, if I take ab common, z1 z2 bar plus z2 z1 bar plus again b square of mod of z1 square. Say let us take this as second one. So by adding this both, adding 1 and 2, you will get mod of az1 minus bz2 square plus mod of az2 plus bz1 square is equal to, so we can find here plus ab times and minus ab term get cancelled. So here a square of z1, if I take a square common, mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square, and again here plus b square terms of mod of z2 square plus mod of z1 square. So we can take out common z1 square plus z2 square common, so we can write into a square plus b square. So we can give the answer as a square plus b square of mod of z1 square plus mod of z2 square. Okay, right. Thank you.